Good afternoon. This is again Karen Valladares. Welcome friends again to my channel. It is a pleasure to be doing this today as you are always accustomed to only seeing my hands. But this video is a little bit different because today I have a big announcement. I have a product that I want to announce today on my channel. The company Knitcrate is a subscription box service and online store for fiber artists around the world. They sent me 2 yarns of the ones that they sell, and the color during this month of February is this one that I am showing you right now. It is 40% merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca. One of the most noticeable things about this yarn is that it is extremely soft as compared to the other yarns. And I think it is that way because it is combined with natural fibers. As compared to yarns that may be 100% wool, this is much smoother and not as irritating to the skin. It comes with 2 skeins and they come in 2 twisted up hanks format. It also comes with the company information included in this card. Knitcrate is offering 4 different types of membership. The first one is $19.95 and it includes 1 sock luxury yarn skein and it is hand dyed. The second membership, which is $23.99, includes 1 unique and exclusive finger weight yarn skein and it is also hand dyed. It also includes 2 knitting patterns. For the third membership, which is $24.99, it includes 2 house branded premium skeins and they are also hand dyed, and it includes color combinations of limited edition every month. It also includes 1 crochet pattern and 1 knitting pattern. The fourth membership, which costs $34.99, includes 2 skeins of hand-dyed yarn in a combination of colors of limited edition every month. It also includes 1 knitting pattern for beginners, 1 knitting pattern for intermediate, advanced, and 1 surprise pattern. Please note, one very exciting thing about all of these subscriptions is that it includes free worldwide shipping. Now, for specifics about different promotional discounts that each one of the subscription has, then make sure that you look at our description box for additional details, and by clicking the link you will be able to find out more information about these discounts included in each membership. Now I have some amazing news for all of you. The good news is that I have been awarded a discount of 20% for the first membership for all of my followers. So what does this mean? That the membership of $19.95 would now be $15.96. The membership of $23.99 would be $19.19. The membership, which is $24.99, would now be $19.99, and the membership that is $34.99 would be $27.99. So make sure you don't pass up on this opportunity. My code for the discount is Karen20. So make sure that you click on the link below that is in the description box and go ahead and follow all the steps, and remember to use Karen20 as your code in order for the discount. So there you will be able to choose the membership you prefer. Something that's very interesting about all these memberships is that it includes free worldwide shipping. So for example, if you live anywhere outside of the United States like Canada, Europe, or Latin America, you'll be able to receive your packages without any cost. This is very important because sometimes the shipping can turn out to be more expensive than actually the product that you're buying, right? But in this case, it is already included in the price of the yarn that you are purchasing. So this is an offer you cannot pass up. So we're gonna be going ahead and doing a test of the yarn. It comes with the instructions and it includes information about its composition. It is 150 yards or 136 meters. And the instructions suggest a crochet hook of 5 millimeters. So we're going to be doing a brief project of creating a fingerless mitten with this product. And I don't know if you can really appreciate it in the video, but when you look at this yarn very closely, it has a beautiful green color that has tones of different greens that makes it look very, very beautiful. So I want to let you know that part of what Knitcrate does is that every month they create different yarns based on different topics, and they inspire themselves on nature. So now during the month of February, they created this new color that is called petrichor, and they explained that this theme comes from that first rain that comes, which washes out different surfaces and makes it glisten very beautifully. The trees are greener. If you look at the pavement, then it's like it glistens with new lights. So all of this color is based on this inspiration. One tip that I would like to give you is that because the yarn comes in a twisted up hank, that it would be important to use the aid of a second person or the arms of a chair, so you can slowly unwind the yarn across the arms so that it doesn't become tangled up, because if not, it can become very easily tangled up. So just have the other person put their arms through the yarn and then you can slowly untangle it. Please look for my upcoming video tutorial detailing how to crochet these fingerless mittens. So as I started to work with this product, it was incredible how pleasant the yarn felt. It slid very easily through the hooks, and the stitches were very clearly defined as uniform, as you can see. As you look closer at these mittens, you can also tell that the colors are very vibrant and unique, and you can see that the different tones really shine through. The greens, the aquas, the blues, it really turned out beautiful. So to summarize, there are 3 types of membership for the company Knitcrate. And in order to look at the prices, it's important for you to click on the link that is in the below description box, and that way you will be able to enter their website and obtain the 20% discount that is available for my followers, and it is exclusive for all of you. Remember to write the code Karen20, and this is available to you in gratitude for all the likes, all the visits to my videos. Please don't pass up on this offer, especially the worldwide free shipping. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Please like it, share this video with others. If you have any questions, please make sure to send those to me and I'll be gladly to answer all of them. And that is all. Ciao. Bye.